In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list on eToro. If you want an easy way to keep track of assets you're interested in without placing a trade right away, creating a watch list is a great option. It helps you organize the markets you want to monitor, whether that's stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or other assets available on the platform. To begin, sign into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the platform features and start building your personalized watch list. Next, go to the search bar and look for an asset you want to follow. You can search for a stock, an ETF, a cryptocurrency, or another available market. For example, you might search for BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. The search tool is useful if you already know exactly what asset you want to add. When the search results appear, click on the asset to open its page. This will take you to the main asset screen where you can view more details, including its chart, stats, and trading options. Once you're on the asset page, look for the watch list icon near the trade button. This is the option that lets you save the asset for later tracking. Click that icon to continue. After that, choose Add to New List. This is the step where you create a separate watch list instead of adding the asset to an existing one. It's a good way to stay organized, especially if you want different lists for different strategies or asset types. Now, enter a name for your watch list. Pick something clear and easy to remember so you can quickly identify it later. A simple name based on your interests or goals usually works best. Once you've typed in the name, create and save the new watch list. This confirms the list and prepares it to store the asset you selected. Next, add the asset to the newly created watch list by selecting that list. This links the asset to your saved collection so you can come back and monitor it whenever you want. After that, open Watchlist from the left-hand menu. This section is where all your saved watch lists and tracked assets are stored in one place. Finally, review your saved assets. You should now be able to see the asset you added inside your watch list. This makes it easier to keep an eye on price movements and return to important assets without searching for them again each time. And that's how to create a watch list on eToro. Thanks for watching.